This is the $4 billion upgrade to one of Europe's busiest airports. Located in Germany, Frankfurt International Airport is currently undergoing a massive expansion to accommodate the ever-increasing number of visitors. More than 800 companies are involved in building an entirely new terminal, making it one of the largest construction projects on the continent. The construction of a new terminal at Frankfurt Airport, a major international hub and Germany's largest airport, faces significant challenges, including the need for specialized industrial divers. The airport, located southwest of Frankfurt's city center, is one of the busiest and most connected in the world, offering flights to 330 destinations. Spanning an area nearly half the size of Manhattan, it includes 2 main terminals and 4 runways. The billion upgrade began as far back as the previous century, as the growing number of passengers exceeded the capacity of the existing terminals, which could handle up to 1 million people annually. By the 1990s, it was clear that further expansion, including a new terminal, would be necessary. The new Terminal 3 at Frankfurt Airport is set to increase capacity by 25 million passengers annually and is being built on the site of a former American base that closed in 2005. After extensive planning and a local architectural competition, construction began with the project planned in 3 phases. The first phase includes the main terminal hall, Piers H and J, a new apron tower, and surrounding infrastructure. Phases 2 and 3, which involve the construction of Piers G and K, will follow based on demand after the terminal's planned opening in 2026. Visitors can access the terminal via an meter-high drive-in platform or driverless skyline system, with an 8-story parking garage for vehicles also planned. The new Terminal 3 at Frankfurt Airport will be connected to Terminal 1's train station via an 8-minute public transportation ride. The terminal's main hall will have 3 zones, a 2-floor hall with departures on the upper level and arrivals on the lower, a security check area, and a futuristic marketplace and lounge with a reflective steel ceiling designed to enhance the waiting experience. 4 piers will be modularly constructed, allowing for future expansion. Each pier will have a unique design but maintain a focus on comfort. Although construction has progressed significantly since 2015, faster than expected passenger growth in 2018 prompted adjustments to the original plan. Due to urgent capacity needs, the construction of Pier G at Frankfurt Airport's new Terminal 3 was prioritized over the main terminal. Pier G, capable of handling over 4 million passengers annually, progressed rapidly but became less urgent when COVID-19 severely reduced passenger numbers in 2020. Despite the decline, construction continued, and Pier G was completed in April 2022, though it remains closed and unequipped until its planned opening in 2026. Significant progress has also been made on the surrounding infrastructure, with 10 kilometers of new roads, the drive-in platform, and a partially open parking garage. The Skyline transit system has passed initial tests, and the main terminal building's exterior is already complete. The construction of Frankfurt Airport's Terminal 3 has made significant progress, with the structures for Piers J and H in place, and the 70-meter apron tower atop Pier H already operational. However, the project faced numerous challenges. During excavation, the team encountered water-saturated soil, which led to flooding. To address this, industrial divers in specialized suits were brought in to monitor the curing of concrete used to stabilize the site. Another challenge was constructing the massive roof, originally planned to be lifted in one piece. Due to space constraints, the roof had to be split into 5 sections and moved using sleds, a process that took over 6 months. Additional challenges included precise positioning of heavy equipment and installing 90 kilometers of piping in the terminal. Despite these difficulties, the project remains on schedule, a remarkable achievement for a project of this scale. When Terminal 3 opens in 2026, it will significantly impact Frankfurt Airport, increasing its capacity by 19 million passengers annually while reducing waiting times. It will create thousands of jobs, adding to the airport's existing 81,000-strong workforce. However, the expansion will also raise environmental concerns, including a larger carbon footprint. To address this, Fraport, the airport's owner, has implemented measures to reduce energy and water use, aiming to meet 85% of its energy needs with renewable sources by 2026, including solar panels on Terminal 3. The airport has set a goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2045, though the feasibility of this remains to be seen. After Terminal 3 opens, Terminal 2 will close temporarily for renovations, with its flights moved to the new terminal during that time. Do us a favor. Currently, only 3.8% of our viewers are subscribed to our talktive. So if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to click that button. And if you're wondering how that one is supposed to be handling all of these additional passengers, well, then Fraport has an ace up its sleeve called Pier K. That one has been in the plans to be built from early on as soon as it's necessary, and would add a capacity of 1 million passengers every year. We're definitely curious to see how passenger numbers will develop in the coming years. But if it's any indication so far, the airport has already seen a near 30% growth in the first half of 2023, compared to the same time frame the year before. But what do you think about the new terminal? Do you like the feel-good ambiance it's trying to achieve? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see more similar mega projects, then you should watch our video about the biggest mega projects in world. Thank you for watching, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.